Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this prettiest Hime hairstyle in DTI. So in this DTI tutorial, we're unlocking the most adorable Hime hairstyles perfect for your soft, kawaii or elegant looks. So this is how the hairstyle will look like, and I'm going to show you how you can recreate this hair. So first, you just need to use this bangs right here, and you can change the color to any color that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this colors right here, and you can combine with this hairstyle, this long hairstyle in here, this one. Change it with the same color, and next one, the last one, combine it with this short hair and use the same color. Okay, so this is the final look for the hairstyles, the Hime hairstyle. I hope you like this trick. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Also comment if you have any questions. Bye.